Branding today is all about storytelling. And there's no better way to tell your story than through video, like what we're doing right now. And with that, a lot of companies are realizing that, hey, I can start building my own internal creative team. Don't always have to have an agency do my work. And if I have an internal team, well, they can start to know my product better. We can get more content out. Because the name of the game with storytelling is not to just put out a video and then let everybody watch it. With social media, with things like LinkedIn, you want to be putting out content every single day. That might be video, might be photography, might be audio, could be a podcast. But you want to just start a cadence where literally every single day, especially if you're a consumer product, your social media feeds are going to have to be full of new content daily just to keep that audience coming back and get the interest going and things like that. Now, if you've never built a team before and you're thinking about bringing one in, my first advice is start with 2. Don't hire 1. And especially if you're going to be doing video. Why? Well, shooting the videos can often be somewhat simple, like what I'm doing now. I have a single camera. I can sit here for the next couple hours and do 20 of these chapters just talking to the camera. But that's not the end of the story. Then there's the editing part of it. And even a simple video like this could take me an hour and a half to 2 hours to, make the sound good, make the picture look right. Certainly the captions that you're seeing underneath me, those have to be processed and then edited and then inserted into the video. And graphics and then output. So I've got to get it ready to put it out to Twitter and Instagram. Everybody has their own settings. So from the time that I get this into the computer until the time that I actually have it ready to send out, it could be a couple hours. So let's just say I do shoot 20 of these today. Well, 2 to 3 hours each. I'm going to be able to get maybe 4 done in a normal day. So that's going to be 5 days of work for me to take these very simple videos and get them processed and ready to go out onto all the social media feeds. Now, if there's other things that you want me to do over the next couple of days, well, that means I can't be editing the videos. I have to be shooting. So there's a great efficiency in hiring 2 people right off the bat. So one could be filming, one could be doing graphics, one could be editing. They can split the duties. So instead of 5 days, they get it done in 2.5 days. When you have a one-man band, which is what we call it, one person who literally does everything, it saves you money, but it cuts down on the output. And with today's world, with so many social channels, with so many ways of storytelling, if you want to release a video every single day across all of your channels, it's going to be a very difficult job for just one person to do. Again, I shoot these today. Now you want me to shoot other things for the rest of the week. I can't be editing this video. And what happens is a cascade starts up where that one person just keeps getting further and further behind because you want to keep telling more stories about your company. But the stories are getting buried. So for maximum efficiency, especially when you're starting out, find the budget to hire 2 people just for your video storytelling. And keep in mind, videographers, that's going to be your photographer as well. It's going to be your audio technician. So you can do some podcasts, you can do some other things, and certainly up your photography game. But always invest in 2 people to get maximum efficiency, and that will allow you to get a really good storytelling cadence going.